In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step practical guide to reach 1000 ELO, the exact things you can start doing today, the resources I studied, the puzzles that actually matter, and the openings that will carry you in good form to the middle game. If you stick to these steps, you'll stop blundering, start spotting tactics, and you'll be breaking 1000 ELO way sooner than you think. So let's dive right into it. Step 1. Pick your openings and stay loyal to them. Stick to just a few openings and repeat them until you know them inside out. Yes, it feels a little boring at times, but that's exactly why it works. The truth is, there is no best opening. The only best opening is the one you actually stick to. When you play it again and again, you'll stop worrying about blundering in the first moves and start focusing on the real game, the middle game, where most beginners fall apart. So here's a practical rule. You need 3 openings, 1 for white and 2 for black, 1 against e4 and 1 against d4. If you're not sure what to pick, here's my recommendation. As white, play the Italian game. Simple, classical, and effective. It gives quick development, control of the center, and chances to attack early. As black against e4, play e5, get your bishop out early to sidestep the fried liver attack, then bring your knights into the game and castle. Versus d4, go for the queen's gambit declined. It's one of the most reliable defenses in chess, and it teaches you good pawn structure and piece play. Stick with these 3 openings for at least a month without switching around. Each time you run into trouble in the opening, review the game afterward, fix the mistake, and memorize the pattern so it doesn't happen again. Openings give you structure, but structure alone isn't enough. To really understand what's happening in a game, you need guidance, and that's where the right content makes all the difference. Most beginners waste hours watching blitz streams or flashy tactics compilations. It's fun, but it won't actually help you improve. When I was starting out, I spent 2 weeks without even touching rated games. Instead, I watched educational videos where strong players explained beginner games and the mistakes behind them. That alone gave me a huge head start. Now, here's my recommendation. Watch Grandmaster Daniel Naroditsky's lessons with Charlie. If you haven't seen them, they are pure gold. Danya's way of explaining is clear, patient, and super beginner-friendly. But don't just watch passively. Practice active learning. Pause the video before the move is revealed and try to guess it yourself. Compare your thought process to the GM's explanation. This is where the real learning happens. Take screenshots of the position you went wrong and revise them later. This may take time, but it's incredibly rewarding. Aim for at least 1 hour per day of active learning for 15 days. By the end of that, you'll start understanding the flow of the game much more clearly. I'll also put the link to the playlist down in the description so you can start right away. Step 3. Build your daily tactics routine. This is where you'll start throwing punches. With Danya's principles fresh in your head, you'll play solid and sound chess and wait for your opponents to make a blunder. That's when tactics appear. You have to know that pins and forks alone make up the majority of winning tactics at the beginner level. So here's a simple routine. Go to chess.com or Lichess themed puzzles. Both platforms let you filter puzzles by motif, pins, forks, and mating patterns. Aim for 10 puzzles in each theme. Stick with this for just a few weeks, and you'll begin spotting those tactics as if by instinct. That's the mark of real progress. Tactics become part of your muscle memory. Now the final piece of the puzzle, actually sitting down and playing games, and then learning from them the right way. Play 15 plus 10 games consistently. This time, control is a sweet spot for beginners. It gives you enough thinking time without dragging things out too long. After each game, don't just move on, analyze it. But here's the key. Focus on blunders and missed opportunities and skip inaccuracies for now. Beginners will benefit most from understanding the critical mistakes rather than every tiny slip. Take screenshots of your blunders and tactical misses. This visual habit helps you remember and avoid those mistakes in future games. The act of reviewing them boosts your brain for better recognition in real time. And that's it. 3 steps that will actually take you past 1000 ELO. Pick your openings and stick to them. Watch the right content. Drill your tactics daily and put it all into practice with 15 plus 10 games. Most players stay stuck because they never commit to a simple system. If you follow this routine consistently, you'll see progress way faster than you think. So go out there, play smart, and start climbing the ladder. Trust me, breaking 1000 is just the beginning. Good luck and have fun.